Do you want to further process palm kernel oil and improve production efficiency a lot? Look here, a set of automatic palm kernel oil processing plant, very suitable for your small oil mill use. Next, let's watch how the palm kernel oil is made automatically step by step. Step 1. Removing the fiber. The mixture of palm kernel and fiber goes into the fiber separating machine. Through the rotation of the triangular shaft, the fiber and palm kernel is continuously agitated and separated, causing the fiber to fall straight down while the palm kernel is discharged from the right outlet of the separator. Step 2. Separating the palm kernel and shell. First, the palm nuts will go into the feed hopper. With the elevator rising, the palm nuts will go into a grade sieve separator, which can separate the big nuts and small nuts. Then, they will go into different palm kernel crackers. One machine peels large palm kernels, while the other peels small palm kernels, which can reduces the rate of broken kernels and increases the peeling rate. After peeling, the mixture will go into air separation column. Due to their different densities, the palm kernels will fall down and be collected at the lower outlet, while the shells are blown out from the top and collected by the cyclone. Step 3. Crushing. Before pressing, the palm kernel should be crushed into 4-6 pieces in the palm kernel crusher, because it is big and very hard. Crushing will increase the palm kernel's surface area, making them easier to process during steaming and roasting. Step 4. Cooking. The crushed palm kernels go into the drum roaster to adjust the temperature and moisture. If the moisture is low, it may need to add water during cooking. Step 5. Pressing. The palm kernels go into the oil presser. Through the squeezing action of the screw press and the pressing chamber, the palm kernel will flow out successfully. The palm kernel oil presser is specially designed by our engineer, Very Hot Sale. Step 6. Filtering. The last step is oil filter. You can see the crude palm kernel oil flow into the plate frame filter, then the clean oil will flow out, and the impurities will stay the filter cloth. Interested? Contact us to start your small palm kernel oil mill business. Hen and Glory is looking forward to cooperation with you.